Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, you and I are going to take a closer look at a budget-friendly lift kit for your JK Wrangler. It comes from the team that has spent the last 40 years designing and building some of the best aftermarket lifts available, and this is Skyjacker's 2 to 2.5 inch coil spring lift kit. So in this video, I'm going to cover every single aspect of this Skyjacker lift, from what's included in the kit, its construction, and even how to get it installed on your Jeep, so let's get started. So here it is, guys. This is Skyjacker's 2 to 2.5 inch coil spring lift kit for all 07 to 17 JK Wranglers. This kit is perfect for the Jeep owner that still wants to lift their Jeep but on a budget. It's also great for the Jeep owner that doesn't necessarily want an intense off-road rig, but instead just a little boost in ground clearance and enough room for some larger wheels and tires. And after you install this kit, you're going to be easily able to fit a set of 33 by 1250 tires, which is definitely a large improvement from stock. So as you can see from the workbench in front of me, this is a basic kit, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Now, Skyjacker still provides you with everything that you're going to need to get your Jeep lifted. The components that do all the lifting, though, are their Softride front and rear coil springs. These springs are not only taller than your stock springs, but they're also designed with the perfect spring rate, so it's going to be more capable off-road and still easy to drive on the street. But with taller coil springs does come a longer set of shocks, and with this kit, you're going to have a few different options to choose from. Now, for our particular kit, we stepped it up to their top-of-the-line model, their M95 front and rear shocks. But you can also select from their entry-level Hydro 7000 shocks, which are actually the ones that come with this kit automatically, or their Nitro 8000 or Black Max shocks. Now, of course, all will provide different on and off-road handling features, so if you're still not sure which one is going to be best for your driving style, just give us a call and we can help point you in the right direction. All right, so now that we have all the features of this lift kit covered, let's go ahead and touch on the installation. Now, it will require a little bit of elbow grease to get this kit bolted up, but you can still easily get this installed in your own garage using only basic tools. I would, however, persuade a few buddies to give you a hand and definitely give yourself at least a full day to get it done if you're doing this on your back. Now, the install is going to consist of lowering both the front and the rear axle enough to get the stock springs out and the new springs in. That's going to consist of unbolting the front track bar and the sway bar links, making sure all the electrical connectors are unplugged and removed, and then loosening the upper and lower control arm bolts but not removing them. Once everything is loose, lower the front axle with a floor jack enough to get the springs out. Then it's just a matter of installing your brand new bump stops and then installing your new coil springs, raising the axle back up into place. Now, use the exact same process for the rear springs, bolt up a new set of wheels and tires, get your Jeep aligned, then it's just time to hit the streets and start enjoying the new look and feel of your Skyjacker lift kit. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap up today's review of Skyjacker's 2 to 2.5 inch lift kit for all JK Wranglers. So if you're looking for an economical way to improve the overall look of your Wrangler and even make it more capable out on the trail, head over to CarID.com now to check out this fantastic lift kit from Skyjacker and all the other amazing off-road parts and accessories that they have to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.